Hello everyone. What a ride 2024 has been for the Handicap's channel. From triumphs to epic fails and everything in between, let's rewind and relive the magic we created together. We started the year with my bestie Richa dropping her DIY magic. Then came the accessory craze. I think half of my wardrobe is now accessorized with things I made. Richa wasn't done yet. She returned with more DIYs to keep the creative juices flowing. Ah, the famous shrink sheet experiment. Let's just say Pinterest made it look way easier than it actually was. To keep things fun, I asked random streamers about their thoughts on handmade gifts. Their reactions were priceless. And who could forget our reuse and revamp DIYs? Turning old into gold was such a vibe. My best friend had the most special birthday ever this year. I made 11 unique gifts for her because her birthday falls on April 11th. It was so much fun creating something meaningful and one of a kind for someone so special. And yes, the surprise giveaway for my consistent viewers. Seeing your excitement made my day. Sometimes simplicity steals the show. I tried my hand at some easy but unique DIYs that even a beginner could nail. I even got the chance to teach DIY to a few kids I know. Seeing their little hands create big ideas was unforgettable. So there was another episode of Love for Handmade where we had Jay Virus with us, and this was recorded from his own stream. So yes, you can go watch it. One of my favorite experiments this year was the mini pocket diary. Who knew tiny could be so cute and functional? And this was a gift for Richa. And to wrap up the year, I made some beautiful accessories. They're definitely my proudest creations of 2024. But hey, I have to admit, I was inconsistent for the last 2 months. Life got a little crazy, but I promise to make it up to you all in 2025. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Let's make 2025 even more creative and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite handy gifts moment from 2024 in the comments below. See you soon. Bye bye.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, but fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away, but I'm here to stay, no you can't get to me. And there